bringing you info at the speed of now. What's today's instant insight?
To get citations easily, start by using academic databases such as Google Scholar, PubMed, or JSTOR. These platforms allow you to search for research articles across various disciplines. Utilize citation management software like Zotero or Mendeley, which can help organize and automatically format your citations according to different style guides, APA, MLA, etc. Additionally, many academic journals and databases offer a Cite This Article feature, providing ready-to-use citations in multiple formats. Remember, accurate citations are crucial in scholarly work, so double-check for correctness.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.